Alright, this just came in the mail yesterday. Pexmor brand 46-pound thrust trolling motor, which I'm going to put on my North Pack 9.5 water tender. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and show you what it is like coming from Amazon. I'm not familiar with this brand. I'm more familiar with Minn Kota and recently Newport Vessel, but the price was right and I just wanted to give it a shot and see how it will last. But before any of that starts, let's get it out of the box. It's got the old school Minn Kota colors. So it's got 8 different gears or speeds, 5 forward, and each one has a click for designating, and then 3 reverse. From my experience with trolling motors, that's a pretty standard situation regarding speeds. Go back to, I mentioned Newport Vessels. They have the one that I had was a 55-pound thrust and it had 5 lights. This particular brand has 10 lights. So in the reviews, people have mentioned that they like to be able to see a little closer look at their battery charge with the 10 lights instead of just 5. Came with the instruction booklet and 2 propellers. One of them has 2 blades, the other has 3 blades. And that each one of the propellers came with its own wrench, and it looks like it's got the nut with the neoprene locker inside to prevent it from backing out. The 2 boxes for that. So that's what it looks like when you unbox the Pexmor trolling motor. I bought it on Amazon at the time of this video. Today is Saturday the 24th of July 2021. At the time of the video, this is the price that I paid for this trolling motor, brand new, shipped. If you're interested in seeing how it performs or how it reacts in the water using this water tender right here, please consider subscribing and following along. It should be pretty interesting.